The shell special keys. Using bash features, several special key combinations allow you to do things easier and faster with the GNU shell bash, which is the default on almost any Linux system. You are strongly suggested to make a habit out of using them, so as to get the most out of your Linux experience from the very beginning. Now, let's try some examples. Press Ctrl A to move the cursor to the beginning of the command line. Press Ctrl C to end a running program and return the prompt. Press Ctrl D to log out of the current shell session. It is equal to typing exit. And if you are using the root user, it will switch to the regular user. Press Ctrl E to move the cursor to the end of the command line. Press Ctrl H to generate backspace character. Press Ctrl U to clear from the cursor to the beginning of the command line. Press Ctrl K to clear from the cursor to the end of the command line. Press Ctrl L to clear this terminal. Press Ctrl R to search in command history for a particular command. Press arrow left or arrow right to move the cursor one place to the left or right on the command line, so that you can insert characters at other places than just at the beginning and at the end. Press arrow up or arrow down to browse history. Go to the line that you want to repeat, edit details if necessary, and press enter to save time. Press Shift page up or Shift page down to browse the terminal buffer to see text that has scrolled off the screen. For example, cat/etc/password, and try Shift page up or Shift page down. Tab completion allows a user to quickly complete commands or file names once they have typed enough at the prompt to make it unique. For example, EC, and press Tab to complete the command. If the characters typed are not unique, pressing the Tab key twice displays all commands that begin with the characters already typed. For example, PAS, and press Tab twice. The result will be as you can see. Then you can choose the best choice for you or the required choice. I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.